Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the benefits of a high-yield savings account with SoFi Bank. If you're looking for an effective way to grow your savings and achieve your financial goals, you're in the right place. SoFi Bank offers one of the most competitive high-yield savings accounts on the market. With this account, you can earn up to 4.50% APY. That's significantly higher than the national average for traditional savings accounts. Let's break that down. The annual percentage yield, or APY, reflects how much money you can earn over a year with compound interest. At 4.50% APY, your savings can grow much faster. For example, if you deposit $5,000 after a year, you could earn about $225 just from interest alone. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Now, let's talk about fees. With SoFi Bank, you'll pay no account fees. That means no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden charges. Every dollar you save is yours to keep, which is a huge advantage over many traditional banks. Opening an account is a straightforward process. You can do it entirely online or through the SoFi app. All you need is some basic personal information, and you'll be on your way to a smarter savings strategy. SoFi also makes managing your account easy. The app provides a user-friendly interface where you can monitor your balance, track your interest earnings, and even set savings goals. This level of visibility empowers you to stay on top of your finances. And here's something exciting. If you use my link to sign up, you'll get a $25 bonus just for opening your account. But that's not all. When you set up direct deposit, you could earn up to an additional $300. That's a fantastic way to kickstart your savings journey. Setting up direct deposit is quick and easy. Just have your paycheck or government benefits automatically deposited into your SoFi account. This not only helps you qualify for the bonus, but also makes sure you're consistently saving every month.
I opened my SoFi savings account a few months ago, and it was the best decision. The interest rate is impressive, and there are no fees. It feels great to see my savings grow without worrying about extra charges.
The bonuses were a pleasant surprise. I signed up through the link and got $25 immediately. Plus, I set up direct deposit and earned an extra $300. That money is already working for me.
Real-life benefits like these illustrate why SoFi stands out. Not only are you getting a high interest rate and no fees, but you're also being rewarded just for banking with them. Whether you're saving for a major purchase, an emergency fund, or future investments, having a high-yield savings account is a vital part of a solid financial plan. SoFi makes it simple to manage your money and reach your goals. And let's not forget about peace of mind. With SoFi Bank, your savings are FDIC insured, which means your money is safe up to $250,000 per depositor. You can focus on growing your savings without worrying about security. So what are you waiting for? Take control of your financial future today. Click the link in the description to sign up for your SoFi high-yield savings account. Remember, you'll earn up to 4.50% APY, enjoy no account fees, and get a $25 bonus, plus up to $300 with direct deposit. With SoFi Bank, your financial journey is just beginning. Start saving smarter today and watch your money work for you.